Thank you, YouTube, for letting me teach through online, and this is my first class. So let us begin without wasting our time. So as I said already in my introductory class that every Saturday and Sunday I'll be teaching basics. So ninth class and 10th class students as well as I, if your basics are perfect, you need not listen to this because already you know all this. This is for beginners, means those are getting less marks, those who are not understanding mathematics at all, or those who have phobia, fear of mathematics. So I will be covering in this, and it is very helpful. So students, let us begin it. Yes, right. Integers. Integers I will be covering, as well as basics geometry. Which one you want to like first? Shall we go for integers or shall we go for geometry? We'll do one thing. First we learn 15 minutes this and then 15 minutes this one. So my classes from now onwards will be minimum 30 minutes. Max I can't say because for higher classes it will take time. So students, and listen carefully, don't deviate your mind. Means when you are listening to my class, you are always with me only. Like when your mother is calling or somebody is calling, you should say that, daddy, mom, I am listening, please do not disturb. Then only you will understand, you will become perfect. Geometry, first point. Next, line. Next, line segment. These are we are going to cover now. And third is ray. Last is transversal. And some parallel lines, so on. Parallel lines, like that. What is a point? Point is nothing but a just dot. Let's simply remember, point is a dot and it is always denoted by capital letters. That is point P, point Q, point R, like that. Very simple. Points are denoted by capital letters. It is a dot. Next goes to line. What do you mean by line? Line is a set of points. Set of what is, see how I am using the language. Set of points. Set means some group. Line is a set of points. That means like that. There are so many points in this. When you join all this, you will get one line. And so on. The arrow indicates that the points are going endlessly on that side and as well as this side. So line is set of points. And line extends indefinitely. Indefinitely means synonyms. Definite, indefinite. Indefinite means there is no end at all. It's going in this direction and in this direction. Are you getting my point? This arrow indicates indefinitely means it is going on like this. It is going. This indicates it is going on this way. Example: sky. Just take sky. Sky will go on expanding. Means there is no stop at all. Next, one more is lines are denoted by this symbol AB. Suppose if I keep point here A and here it is written as AB. You may ask one question. Sir, line AB is same as line BA. Listen what I am saying. Line AB is same as line. I wrote AB now. Just reverse this. B. Sorry. B. A. Line AB is same as line BA. Exactly. It is correct. Why? Because both are extending in indefinite direction. One will go this way, another will go this way. So they can't meet. Can they meet? No. So that's why line AB is same as line BA. Next come to line segment. Line segment means it is a part of a line. Part means some cut. Cut that line. Cut that line. So I want to cut this line. Already I told it is a set of points. So here name something X, some Y. So if you cut this piece, what you will get here? X, Y. And here you see the point, dot is there or not? And you see here, dot is there. So line segment is a part of a line. It has two end points. Look at here. It has two end points. Are you getting my point? Line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints. And one more again same question. Is line segment XY is same as YX? Quick answer I want. I want quick response. Can anybody take? One more thing I forgot, before I am teaching, you should have at least pen book in your hand or some rough book. Then what I am saying, please note some points, write it. That will be very useful for you only. Otherwise, next class you don't know what I am teaching only. So line segment XY is same as line segment Y. That is my question. And line segment is denoted by this symbol X, Y. Line segment XY is same as YX. Suppose ant is here. Ant means some insect is here, and it wants to travel from here to here. And again that ant is too smart, and that ant also wants to jump like you only. 6th class, what we will do in 6th class, we will have lot of fun in the school. When teacher is explaining, some students will make you disturb, some will listen carefully. So this ant also wants to, it is trying some trick, whether if I travel from here to here or if I travel from here to here, will my distance will be same. That's exactly what you are saying is correct. Line segment XY is same as line segment YX because there is no difference. Are you getting my point? Whether you travel from here to here or just take this example only. I am here, standing here. I am traveling from here to here, and again I am traveling from here to here. Is it making any change? No. So that's why line segment XY is same as line segment YX. And remember, line segment is denoted by this symbol, and the two capitals, don't forget. So this is covered, line segment is covered. Ray, most important topic, ray and transversal and so on. Ray is ray has one endpoint and extends only in one direction. It doesn't have two endpoints like line segment. This ray plays an important role when you go to 9th, 10th and higher classes. So I am erasing this one. Eric, can you give an example of ray which has one endpoint and extends indefinitely in one direction? Think it. Yes, that's correct. Sun rays. Sun rays. Look at the word here. Sun rays. Ray. Sun rays. Sun plus rays. Sun rays. Sun. You think that this is sun. How the rays are falling like this? Are you getting my point? And it will stop. These rays will stop. But starting point is this. And sorry, there is slight mistake. It extends. It has one endpoint and extends indefinitely in one direction only. So example is sun rays example. Ray has one endpoint and extends only in one direction. It's not the case of line segment where line segment has two endpoints, line has no endpoints, but ray has exactly one endpoint. Take this as example of sun and extends in one direction only. Why I am putting like this? We don't know where the rays will end and it will go on. So how will you denote line? Ray. Say that this, you think that this is point P and these are the rays PQ. Ray PQ. So it's very simple. Ray is denoted, ray has one endpoint and extends only in one direction. Like we saw in previous example, line segment AB is same as line segment BA, line AB is same as line BA. But let us see what happens with ray. Is ray PQ same as ray QP? Let us study. My question is, listen carefully. Ray PQ is same as ray QP. QP and PQ. What is the starting point of? Means think that this is Q and P. PQ is sun. Here you keep Q and it extends in one direction. Q, P. Next PQ. P here, Q here. What is happening with here? In one diagram, the sun is above, but in another one, the sun is coming down. So, ray QP is not same as ray PQ. It is totally wrong. Many of the students will do this mistake. Kindly avoid that mistake. And teachers will not cut any marks for this, but they will think that he doesn't know basics. So ray PQ is different from QP. Simple reason is sun. Where sun is always up, so point is there and rays are coming down. But PQ means totally different. Sun is down and rays are going up, which will never happen. Okay. Next, parallel lines. Time is running up. What it told? 15 minutes for geometry, 15 minutes for integers. So point is clear, lines are clear, line segment is clear, ray is clear, and now first, before going to transversal, let us learn parallel lines. or vice versa also you can learn. First transversal, then parallel lines, etc. So let us go for transversal. Very, very important topic. Transversal. Transversal. Listen carefully. Transversal is a line. Already you know what is meant by line. A line which intersects two or more lines at different points. Line which intersects two or more lines at different points, then that line is said to be transversal. So look at this picture carefully. Already you know what is meant by line. AB, CD, GH. What I told, transversal definition? Transversal is a line which intersects two or more different lines. Two or more, some XY. Two or more different lines. Transversal is a line which intersects two or more different lines at different points. Now I should draw one line here so that it should intersect. Intersect means some cutting like that. It should cut at one point. Are you getting my point? And I forgot to mention, lines are also denoted by small letters. For example, think that XY is there, line XY is there. This can also be written as simply small letters. You can say line L. Line L is like this. Instead of writing XY every time, you can write it as small way L, something like that. So I want to denote it as H. Transversal is a line which intersects two or more lines at different points. See, this line is intersecting this line at something Q, R, S, T. So this H is called transversal. Transversal, line which intersects two or more lines at different points. This line, transversal H, is intersecting line AB at Q, line CD at R, line GH at S, line XY at T. So then that line H is a transversal. We call this line as a transversal. Okay? Is it clear? So already 15 minutes gone. So next time I will be not teaching this one. Please make a note of it. And 8th, 9th, 10th class or 8th class, 9th class, 7th class, even if you don't know what is line segment, just you can listen, or you can just listen to what I am saying. That's it. So it's clear. Now we'll go for integers. What I told, 15 minutes geometry, 15 minutes integers. 15 minutes already gone. Now another 15 minutes I will be teaching integers basics. This, especially this integers, 8th, 9th, 10th, not at all needed. Only for 6th class students and 7th class students. Still, if they don't know integers, they must listen. And this is the basic thing. It carries on until 10th class. 10th class. Whatever I am teaching, it goes on till 10th class. So that's why introductory class I told clearly, learn basics. Then we will do all tough questions at the top. Toughness will come easy when you do hard work starting. Then doing repeatedly, it will become easy. Now also you have learned basics, then it will become very easy. Integers. Let us start with integers. Addition. I don't want to go deep into this means negative, what are negative integers, definitions and that all, because it's a time waste. Just will concentrate on what is important for higher classes, 7th, 8th, 9th. And let us start. -3 plus 4. What is the answer? And we will cover all this. And next another example. -2 -3. What is the answer? Next one. -5 or let us say +5 -8. -6 plus 3. -1 -1. +20 -20. Then after addition we will go to multiplication. Listen carefully what I am saying, especially 7th class students, 6th class students. Please listen carefully. -3 and 4. Just simple. In these two, which is the biggest number? 4. That everybody knows. 4. What is the symbol for 4? Plus. Simply keep plus symbol. What the symbol you are seeing? Minus. Subtraction. 4 minus 3, 1. Simple. Next, go to this one. We'll come to this later on. +5 -8. Which number is bigger? That at least know. Even if I ask you 3rd class, 4th class students also, you will tell which is big, 5 and 8. Which number will come first? You will say 8. But what is the symbol for 8? Here left side you see minus. And again 1 minus symbol is there, always subtraction. 5 minus or 8 minus 5 is 3. Next this one, same. Can you tell this one? Just try it once. In these two, which number is big? 6 or 3? 6. That everybody knows. Right, I am saying from that time. 6 and 3, when you ask child also, he will tell 6. But what is the symbol for 6? Minus. Keep minus symbol. And one symbol subtraction is there means you need to subtract 3. And +20 -20. Quite very simple. One is plus, one is minus, and both are having same numbers. Plus symbol, minus symbol, both are having same number. The answer is 0. Another example, +5 -5. What is the answer? 0. Now we'll come back to this one. This is quite totally different. When two minus symbols are there, what you have to do is just keep minus symbol. Like how you will add, for example, 8 plus 3, 11, 10 plus 1, 11. Here also -2 -3 means keep minus symbol. Listen carefully, keep minus symbol. Add 2, 3, 5. Don't think that array some subtraction symbol is there, I should do subtraction. No. Understand this concept. When addition is there, what you will do? You will simply add. But you don't write +11 +11. Or if I give 3 plus 2, you will write 5. Will you write 5? No. Will you write +5? No. So you will write 3 plus 2, 5. In the same way, when both integers are negative, what you have to do is keep minus symbol and then add. Come back to this. This is totally different. -1 -1. Don't think that -1 and +1. Then answer becomes 0. Here both symbols are negative. What you need to do? Keep minus symbol and what is the answer? Like how you are adding 1 1 2. Okay. Now you understood. Very simple topic, integers, but many of the students don't know this one only. That is why they will do wrong. Please try to overcome. Next week, coming weeks also, I will be teaching again and again, because this plays a major role. And poor students, some of them don't know at all, so they will do wrongs and they will get less marks or like that. Marks are not important. Understanding what you are learning is very important. Again, I am saying marks are not at all important. Parents, don't stress on marks. See how much the child is grasping, that you should see. Now I will give you some examples. Please practice that at home. Take your pen and paper, practice that at home, and show me in the next week whether your answers are correct or not. Please take a note. Some 10 questions I will be giving. Only 5 minutes left over. Then we have multiplication of integers. Come on, let's start. Please do fast. -3, -4, -5 plus 10, -8 minus 3, -7 plus 10, -6 plus 4, 8 minus 5. How many questions I told? I forgot. 10 questions now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only over. -7, -7. In the next week, we will see this type of questions. That will be covered in the coming week. So this is the first class, already told. This is the first class. So I am also new to the channel YouTube. So I am also in the learning process. Means getting used to this path. Students are not there, no? So that's why I should ask questions myself and I should get the answer myself only. If somebody is there, then I could have easily asked, and there would have been much funnier than this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Last question, -20, -20. That's it. Multiplication. Let us not waste time. Multiplication of integers. Only 5 minutes left over. I said multiplication is very, very simple. Very simple. Not like this addition. Just please note it down fast because I am going to erase it. Multiplication of integers. -3 into -2, 5 into -2, -4 into 3, -3 into 1, 1 into -1 into 3. Observe these examples carefully, and -1 into -1. What we are dealing is first multiplication. Multiplication, what I am saying is, you should keep in your brain, master it what I am saying. When two symbols are there, minus into minus, that becomes plus. What I am saying, minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Here one more major mistake what you do is, while multiplication you will see big number, small number. Don't ever see like that. Just follow these rules, that's all. What I am saying, you should keep, what I am saying is keep in your brain, like minus into minus plus. That means rules. What I am telling, just rules. Like your father and mother will say, get up, get up, get up. Get up soon, already it is 7 o'clock, but still you will be sleeping. So these are all the rules. Means some rules, set of rules are there for this. Integers also. The same rules I am saying here. It is like your daily activity. You will take breakfast, you will go to school. Your father will say, come on, get up. Still until now you did not ready. What you will do? Some students will get up 10 minutes before the school timings. I have seen those students also. Minus into minus plus. So let us not go deep into that. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus. Or minus into plus is minus. Simple. Minus into minus is plus. Either plus into minus or minus into plus is minus only. Apply this over here. Minus into minus. What is this? Minus into minus? Plus. First we will keep the symbols. Anyhow you know multiplication. So don't worry about that one. If any symbol is not there, remember always keep small plus. That is quite understandable. plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into, here symbol is not there, plus, minus into plus, observe the rules, minus into plus, minus, minus into small plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Now everybody knows multiplication. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 3 ones are 3, minus 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 2, minus 10, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6. See now? So additions of integers is entirely different from multiplication of integers. In integers you should not see which number is big, which number is small. Okay, are you getting my point? Just follow the rules. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, or something like that. That's it. And the time is also up, 2:30. We will meet in the next week. Thank you for having your patience and listening to what I am saying. Bye students. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy Saturday. Sorry, you don't have any weekends because you are not in the job. Bye students. Enjoy Saturday, Sunday. Bye.